We are in 2026, and of course, Jamiye Nana Doya Wahoda. Come on. We have a lot to talk about this morning. Na Aropai Ade Akye Abia share a teacher for the His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Yame Adom Maniko PA teacher for conference Kasiapa, which is Ghana National Association of Teachers, NAT. Teacher for no bebre na the mother union no NAT. Na His Excellency Kopie ho na Reverend Isaac Owusumu a cha for NAT. De omunsama to nanim se. And never be a mo say as teachers by now goes umanya. But sanya man entuto ye. Ebisi say single spire. Back in the days, His Excellency John Ivan Sata Mills implemented. But don't forget, say, when it comes to single spire, it started in 2006. That time now, His Excellency John Ajekum Kufuor Anehoho. Now, the framework in Seattle 2009. And 2010, John Evans Atta Mills by no who said no, I was implementation of Ekoso. In fact, the first time, you said nurse for, teacher for, apostle for, just a energy back home up higher the introduction of the single spine. Now, single spine, no idea never say anything. And okay, Yakoba, I'll be giving you more just. Team Nina, I am ready. And okay, see Kwesi Joshua, executive producer for the show this morning. Now, Miriam Kwame, Ejakun, and so ha, no pay Yedi Jumano Abum. Now, we have a lot to talk about this morning. Now, Ade Akye also sharing so ne say, Excellency John Dramani Mahama making an emphatic statement. I would not mean the welfare of teachers, the security of a year at the chairful, and child crowd a teacher ni bako. You born true. Now, Ebayara Hosem in the northern region. Then we had another incident. Ocheche ni bako, and my friend said, teacher nina mwa po omwe omu ho enu nti omu ye ya no je bufo dom ko so teacher mu na omu po no pasa avedi asem yenim say the law is the law in the voice of the former Chief Justice Mami Toko. No, the law is the law. Na ya hwe senka emra be ya djuma but ye wu ya ne so omu so o ma ko solve case no amicably be kai ze train bia. Sometimes go your board Baba Yara. Now after you have no course, right? I was here, I will cry. Hey, there's every park who go so. So Excellency John Dramani Mahama said, no, at least I'm a friend of Nike was a ye bibi a found. Exactly what no can ye. I don't pay your cover a bedroom come. Now, Galam say, I don't pay me busa say. Sir, 9 months for no omodaso ho. They are doing very well, I must admit. Edu baby kra omu bi o ya bu omu. But I pay me yemu kwonpo kakra emponko kakra enko ye chini enhwe ade. Sa okaya abai whereby through the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources yera Kofi Amabua Abe tea kuobi minim zamokaya near from blue water gap. Na amranche ne mabawa ye fomu se omadwuma omu ba bedino. They were trained by Ghana Navy. Enti wombeko ya in major river bodies na galamse ekoso no. Na omaye enkofo mbe informant, ombe gather intelligence na oma feed it to the appropriate headquarters. But we was a blue water gas for more. Adia ma yate a blue water gas no. Omu buy omu yana. I am not against the set ya employment na emeburu ni mabawa enya biaye. But if you are paying you with the taxpayers' money, etuon kakra ya jiji wo dwomfo ho. Ya ma me mo to ntosi, omuto atoso de. Sikan kakra ya jeji wo mu ho no se enei se sa sikai ya jeje na sikai ya ne kakra na ya di twa moka ye nya value for money ana Sometimes I make you wow. It becomes a default from mommy. But it is not also out of books say ye be hu nipa bia omuso ye ne mabisa. But as a minister, I didn't go into the formation of blue water gas. I didn't go into that formation. I asked myself a lot of questions about that blue water gas. Ye come monthly. But I cannot ye no. Omu give us value for money. Because a year ensure Minister Bobo so say Omu anebega the intelligence to give us a feed, you know. Up to now, sa ensure, and I'll be giving you pictorial evidence. Memo videos so actually say still we are having issues. Ewo a year ensure water bodies are here polluting with mercury, cyanide, and others. A say and child the Abeka Chow say Udra Afwa and so be wa senso no efidi tano a bomwa streaming back Tano River. And one na Udra besim water works omu used to be. They said yeah Oba Wabia Yanu and so na and so afebedru baby and galamse. A starte ye abaya sutri. But I come here and say there are things that sometimes galamse hone koswa odwen ho awontiase. Say ye nyai a portion of blame sir. Na ye nyai amanyosema ye fa galamse ho a. Yesterday yes, ya kache say RPP gurus ana galamse. So Yenina yenim say aban foforo aba de ene galan basis because the old other changes yielding way for the new. But up to now galamse no kwa na ekoso. There are places are they untouched. But currently yes say area no which galamse. Now most are doing their best. But me can't so much say it's just a group of people yakoma boom. They cannot be everywhere. You have they will get a tip of say oh my man. Let me tell you something for it on. Can I'm say for no sika papa. And you know balance was fire. And also balance what say excavator. Acha a week or two. Because of the omunya the returns omunya free a galamsin. Oh baba no musa ho. Obaba no musa ho. So the budget 2026 budget Minister of Finance be ready any portioner yade ama 9 months all in the name of fighting against and as the ministry no all in the name of fighting against galamsey. Now we share the koswa. Sometimes it baffles my mind to say I say yeah cosmetic works. Yeah, but I'm for who say yeah baby but on grounds no galamsey no air koso. The water bodies no essay. Surprisingly, your resec our region BM. Oba forma your dissect our region our district BM. Milsec our municipality BM. Every branches MMDCs no they are aware. You are informed the custodians of the land our every district every town. And then yeah. But still, you are witnessing your MTCC. Yakoba Kwame will join me. Now I don't pay your din komo. Some radio sports no after you ready. Team no I ready I don't pay. Na ho na Orlando Money and Bapa mo I don't pay. A lot is happening in the world of sports. Orlando Niamba Tenacia. Yebenya gist ni na. Yakwaba.